Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unarchive messages on WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up our WhatsApp application right here. And first, I'm on my chats page and I'm going to try to archive a message, and then we will unarchive it later on. So I'm going to archive the message by pressing and holding on that specific conversation with my friend, or in this case, a conversation with myself. And then just hit archive right here. And as you can see, once you hit archive, it might not show on any folder within the chats page. So to fix that, let's click on the settings icon at the bottom right hand corner. And from here, let's click on the chats option right below the account option. And you should see the option to keep chats archived. So this should be turned on so that you'll be able to see a folder with our archived chats. So let's click on this toggle button right here, and let's go back to our chats page by clicking on this chats icon at the bottom part of the screen, and you should be able to see the archived folder right above the topmost message you have on your chats page. So click on archived. And to unarchive a message, for example, I want to unarchive this one, just press and hold on that specific conversation and just simply click on unarchive. That pops up. So click on unarchive and that should be back on your chats page. So that is how you can basically unarchive messages on WhatsApp. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.